Hello, Vintage Automotive fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana. I'm making another video today. This is the shop area. We got a lot going on today. Got a restore happening here, and I got a Nissan motor we're taking apart here for eBay. But this video is about a cosmetic restore I'm doing for Reagan. This is a family tradition motor Reagan brought me to do. It's restore number 110, a 1956 3 horsepower Evinrude, model number 3018. I got her completely taken apart, cleaned, painted, ready for assembly. There's the gas tank, got it decaled up. Got a few decals left to put on the side panels. There's the power head, gear case, stern bracket, lower unit, magneto, painted up, trim device, prop, flywheel, rewind starter, air silencer, all the nuts and bolts and knobs all painted and cleaned up, ready to put back together. Next video should be all fully assembled and ready for Reagan to take home. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!